हेलो फ्रेंड्स, આજના લેક્ચરમાં આપણે યુનિટ 1ની થિયરમ જોઈશું. થિયરમ છે પ્રૂવ ધેટ ધી સેટ ઓફ ઓલ ફિઝિબલ સોલ્યુશન્સ ટુ એન લિનિયર પ્રોગ્રામિંગ પ્રોબ્લેમ ઇઝ કોન્વેક્સ. ચલો પ્રૂફ જોઈએ. લેટ SF be the set of all feasible solutions. Let the linear programming problem be converts into AX is equal to B. Let x1 and x2 be two feasible solutions. Therefore, ax1 is equal to b, ax2 is equal to b. એને સમીકરણ નંબર 1 આપો. x1 x2 greater or equal to 0. Let x be any convex linear combination of x1 and x2. Therefore, x is equal to 1 minus lambda x1 plus lambda x2. 0 less or equal lambda less or equal 1. Therefore, x greater or equal to 0. Since x1 x2 greater or equal to 0, zero less or equal lambda less or equal 1. Therefore, x greater or equal to 0. એને સમીકરણ નંબર 2 આપો. Now, ax is equal to a 1 minus lambda x1 plus lambda x2 is equal to 1 minus lambda ax1 plus lambda ax2. હવે ax1 is equal to b અને ax2 is equal to b. Therefore, ax is equal to 1 minus lambda b plus lambda b is equal to b. Therefore, ax is equal to b. એને સમીકરણ નંબર 3 આપો. From 2 and 3, x is a feasible solution. Therefore, the convex linear combination of every two feasible solutions is a feasible solution. Therefore, the set of all feasible solutions SF is convex. Hence, prove the theorem. હવે next theorem છે prove that a basic feasible solution of the linear programming problem is a vertex of the convex set of feasible solutions. ચલો proof જોઈએ. Let xi is equal to xi1 xi2 up to xim 0 0 up to 0 be a basic feasible solution of equation ax is equal to b, where xi greater or equal to 0. Therefore, there exist vectors p1 p2 up to pm which are linearly independent such that xi1 p1 plus xi2 p2 plus up to xim pm is equal to b. Equation number 1 આપો. Where જાય જે greater or equal to 0. J is equal to 1, 2 up to m. We have to show that xj is a vertex of the convex set SF. હવે કોન્ટ્રાડિક્શનથી રિઝલ્ટ પ્રૂવ કરવાનું છે. તો જે પ્રૂવ કરવાનું છે એનાથી બિલકુલ ઉલટું રિઝલ્ટ ધારી લઈશું. સપોઝ xj is not a vertex of SF. Therefore, there exist 2 points. x1 is equal to x11, x21 up to xm1, xm plus 1, 1 up to xn1 and x2 is equal to x12, x22 up to xm2, xm plus 1, 2 up to xn2 belongs to SF, where x1 not is equal to xj, x2 not is equal to xj, such that xj is equal to lambda x1 plus 1 minus lambda x2, 0 less than lambda less than 1. Therefore, xj is equal to lambda xj1 plus 1 minus lambda xj2. J is equal to 1, 2 up to m. Zero is equal to lambda xj1 plus 1 minus lambda xj2. J is equal to m plus 1 up to n. અને બે નંબર આપો. Here x1, x2 belongs to SF. xj1 greater or equal to 0, xj2 greater or equal to 0 and 0 less than lambda less than 1. Therefore, 1 minus lambda greater than 0. Therefore, lambda greater than 0. So, from 2, xj1 is equal to 0 because lambda greater than 0. xj2 is equal to 0 because 1 minus lambda greater than 0. J is equal to m plus 1, m plus 2 up to n. Therefore, x1 is equal to x11, x21 up to xm1, 0, 0 up to 0. And x2 is equal to x12, x22 up to xm2, 0, 0 up to 0. Here x1, x2 belongs to SF, implies x1, x2 are solution of AX is equal to B. Implies x11 p1 plus x21 p2 plus up to xm1 pm is equal to B. અને 3 નંબર આપો. x12 p1 plus x22 p2 plus up to plus xm2 pm is equal to B. અને 4 નંબર આપો. હવે સમીકરણ નંબર 1 માંથી સમીકરણ નંબર 3 બાદ કરો. implies xy1 minus x11 p1 plus xy2 minus x21 p2 plus up to plus xym minus xm1 pm is equal to 0. Here p1, p2 up to pm are linearly independent. Therefore, xy1 minus x11 is equal to xy2 minus x21 is equal to up to is equal to xym minus xm1 is equal to 0. Therefore, xy1 is equal to x11, xy2 is equal to x21, up to xym is equal to xm1. Therefore, xy is equal to x1. એ જ રીતે xy is equal to x2. તો આપણને કોન્ટ્રાડિક્શન મળે છે. a contradiction with x1 not is equal to xy, x2 not is equal to xy. Therefore, our supposition is wrong. Therefore, xy is a vertex of convex set SF. Hence, prove the theorem. હવે next theorem. Prove that a vertex of SF is a basic feasible solution. ચલો proof જોઈએ. Let xy is equal to xy1, xy2 up to xyn be a vertex of SF. Therefore, xy belongs to SF. Therefore, xy greater or equal to 0. We have to show that xy is a basic feasible solution. તો એનો મતલબ એવો થાય કે we have to show that at least xy's are 0. Let R of them xy1, xy2 up to xyn be non-zero where R less or equal n. Since m less than n, either R less or equal to m or R greater than m. જો R less or equal to m હોય તો xy is obviously a basic feasible solution and the theorem holds. જો R greater than m હોય તો we have xy is equal to xy1, xy2 up to xy r 0, 0 up to 0 where xy is greater than 0 for j is equal to 1, 2 up to r. Since xy is a solution of ax is equal to b, we have xy1 p1 plus xi2 p2 plus up to xi r pr is equal to b. ઇક્વેશન નંબર 1 આપો. હવે એઝ r greater than m, the vectors p1 p2 up to pr are not linearly independent. Therefore, there exist scalars alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 up to alpha r, not all 0, such that alpha 1 p1 plus alpha 2 p2 plus up to alpha r pr is equal to 0. વેક્ટર સ્પેસમાં આપણે ભણી ગયા હતા કે p1 p2 up to pr એ લિનિયરલી ડિપેન્ડન્ટ વેક્ટર હોય તો સ્કેલર આલ્ફા 1 આલ્ફા 2 up to આલ્ફા r સાથે એનું લિનિયર કોમ્બિનેશન બનાવીએ એટલે કે આલ્ફા 1 p1 પ્લસ આલ્ફા 2 p2 પ્લસ up to પ્લસ આલ્ફા r pr ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 0. અને એને સિમ્પ્લિફાઈઝ કરીએ તો એટલીસ્ટ 1 આલ્ફા i નોટ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 0 મળે. મલ્ટીપ્લાઇંગ બાય c greater than 0, we get c alpha 1 p1 plus c alpha 2 p2 plus up to c alpha r pr is equal to 0. એને 2 નંબર આપો. હવે ઇક્વેશન 1 પ્લસ ઇક્વેશન 2 કરો. ઇમ્પ્લાઇઝ xi1 plus c alpha 1 p1 plus xi2 plus c alpha 2 p2 plus up to plus xi r plus c alpha r pr is equal to b. હવે ઇક્વેશન 1 માઇનસ ઇક્વેશન 2 કરો. implies xi1 minus c alpha 1 p1 minus xi2 minus c alpha 2 p2 minus up to minus xi r minus c alpha r pr is equal to b. Here psi j greater than 0 and we can choose c so small such that psi j plus or minus cpj greater than 0. j is equal to 1 to up to r. We have x1 is equal to xi1 plus c alpha 1 xi2 plus c alpha 2 up to xi r plus c alpha r 0 0 up to 0. x2 is equal to xi1 minus c alpha 1 xi2 minus c alpha 2 up to xi r minus c alpha r 0 0 up to 0. Therefore, x1 and x2 are feasible solutions of ax is equal to b. Therefore, we have 3 feasible solutions, namely xj, x1 and x2. Now, xj is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Then xj is a convex linear combination of x1 and x2 and x1 not is equal to xj, x2 not is equal to xj implies xj is not a vertex by definition of vertex. હવે અહીં આપણને કોન્ટ્રાડિક્શન મળે છે because xj is a vertex. તો our supposition is wrong. supposition r greater than m હતી તો એ wrong છે. therefore r less or equal to m. therefore xj is a basic feasible solution. therefore vertex SF is a basic feasible solution. હવે નેક્સ્ટ થિયરમ છે prove that the objective function on a linear programming problem attains its optimal value more than one extreme point. Then for every convex combination of those points keep up the same optimal value. चलो प्रूफ જોઈએ. Consider the standard form of linear programming problem. Z maximum is equal to Cx subject to Ax is equal to B, x greater or equal to 0. Let SF be the set of all feasible solutions of Ax is equal to B, x greater or equal to 0. Let the objective function z is equal to Cx attains same optimal value at x1 and x2. These points are extreme points. Therefore, z maximum is equal to Cx1 is equal to Cx2. Let x3 is equal to lambda x2 plus 1 minus lambda x1 be the convex linear combination of x1 and x2. 0 less or equal lambda less or equal to 1. બંને સાઈડ c વડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો. therefore Cx3 is equal to C lambda x2 plus 1 minus lambda x1 is equal to lambda Cx2 plus 1 minus lambda Cx1. હવે Cx1 is equal to Cx2 is equal to Z maximum. Therefore, Cx3 is equal to lambda Z maximum plus 1 minus lambda Z maximum is equal to Z maximum. Therefore, Cx3 is equal to Z maximum. That means x3 gives the same optimal value. Therefore, Cx3 is equal to Z maximum and Z maximum is equal to Cx1 is equal to Cx2. Therefore, Cx3 is equal to Z maximum is equal to Cx1 is equal to Cx2. Therefore, every convex linear combination of two extreme points gives the same value of the objective function. Hence, prove the theorem.